Overall, you're showing a good understanding of converting within customary units of measurements. I'm going to take a moment just to give you a couple reminders and to encourage you guys, if you're feeling less confident on remembering all the units of measure, to please take a moment and actually copy this down at the end of the video. Just as a reminder, when you're actually solving word problems, it's a good idea to reread the question several times. While reading, it's important to note what the question's asking. Be sure to actually go back, look, and find out what the question is really asking you to find. Another important thing is to note what it tells you. Whether it's the numbers, whether it's the units, go back and actually look at several of those things. Sometimes it's going to ask you to complete an operation. If that's the case, ask yourself, am I being asked to add, subtract, divide, or multiply? Sometimes it's just merely asking to convert between two units. If it is asking you to convert between just those two units, pay close attention. What units is it asking you to convert between? Then, be sure to be asking yourself questions on, well, how do I convert? Do I need to add, or do I need to multiply, or do I need to divide? You can use this right here to really think about that adding the multiplying and dividing. Another strategy you can use is by using visualization. You could be drawing a picture. Sometimes your picture could look a lot like this one. Other times it might look a bit more like a bar graph. Say if you have 39 inches and you're wanting to make it into feet, you can think about pulling that up and knowing if you have 12, another 12, another 12 is getting you 36, and knowing that it's okay to have those 3 inches left over. So you'd know that that would equal 3 feet and 3 inches. So that's just one visualization, kind of thinking about it that way. There are several different ways that you can do it, and truthfully, it's important that you find a strategy that works for you. At this time, I'm going to wrap up the video. At the end, you'll still be able to copy off this customary units of measure, and please feel free to refer back to any of these strategies as you are working. You're going to begin by working with a partner on the listed problems. Then you will do the rest of the problems independently. If you have any questions, be sure to ask your teacher.